Bookmarks. Understanding bookmarks and highlighting. A bookmark is a label attached to a verse. A bookmark can be added to whole verses. When added to whole verses, the bookmark is visible in all translations. A bookmark can also be added to part of a verse. When added to part of a verse, only an icon is visible in other translations. Multiple labels can be added to a single bookmark. Multiple bookmarks can be added to the same verse. The verse action dialog shows all bookmarks for that verse, not just the bookmark clicked on.
We hope you enjoy using our completely free Bible study app. Visit our website to discover how you can help us make it even better.